Okay, cleaning the strainer. Flip the hose back forth till it comes off. Use a 6-point socket so you don't round the edges off on it here. $18mm, by the way. Blow it out with an air hose. All good now. We're going to put it back in. You put these in, it's plastic. It's a little semi-fragile. You can twist it off pretty easily. It doesn't not have to be very tight. I haven't ever actually put a torque wrench on one, but I'm kind of thinking if you had an inch-pound torque wrench, maybe 30 inch-pounds, 30 or 40 tops. This wrench, very little pressure required. That's tight enough. Now, I gotta go grab a new radius head zip tie. Radius head zip ties are a little different. You see that round edge up here at the top of it? Right here in that area? That's for a purpose. That's so it makes a true circle and clamps that hose down evenly. Don't use a standard electrical zip tie. Okay, hose back on all the way. Take your pliers. If you get up tight against it, roll it a lot, push it back down against the zip tie. Do that a couple of times. Then when you turn it, it should not turn the hose. And you're done.